Good evening, students. So, my name is Deepanshu Agrawal. This session is in continuation with our live assessment session that we regularly do. So, in this, if you have visited some of our previous videos, so you must know that in this session, I would be giving you 6 questions or 5 questions sometimes. Majorly, it's a 6 question test. So these are the 6 questions that you can see on the screen, and you have to attempt these 6 questions as if you are attempting an exam only, right? So I'll give you exactly 12 minutes to solve these 6 questions, right? So that would make it 2 minutes per question, right? After the end of these 12 minutes, I would be giving you the solutions as well as the answers of these 6 questions, right? But for these 12 minutes, treat this as a short exam only, and try to complete as many questions as possible in this stipulated time. Okay. All right. So time starts now. It's 11:04, and we will continue till 11:16. So at 11:16, I would be telling you the answers for these questions. Okay. Go for it. If there's anything that you would like to convey to me, then you can post it on comment, on chat. Okay. The first nine series, sorry, the first six, sorry, nine videos in this assessment series were on the quantitative aptitude. This is the first video, I think, on logical reasoning, right? So, topic for today is blood relations, as you can see on your screen, right? It's important that we take the logical reasoning also parallelly, okay? And because it's just an assessment series, so uh, no concepts or no methods to solve these questions would be given to you first, and it would be questions based only. So only we will be giving you the solutions of these questions, not the theory part of this blood relation. Those who have just joined, this is a live assessment series in which 6 questions are there on your screen. And to solve these 6 questions, I would be giving you 12 minutes, out of which 3 minutes are already gone. 4 minutes are done, students. We're left with 8 more minutes. Total 12 minutes. Those who would be watching this as a recording shall also consider this as a live assessment series, right? And should take it as a live video only. They should try to solve these 6 questions in these stipulated 12 minutes only. They should not pause the video. They should not fast forward the video. They should treat you should treat this assessment series as a proper exam only, short exam. Okay, that's how you can grow. Okay. I hope you have your copy and pen with you. Obviously, you should not have the calculator because the calculator is of no use in this chapter, blood relation. And even if it is of some use, still calculators are not allowed in any of the major aptitude exams. Okay. And students, if you want to remain connected with us, if you want to have some queries directly with me or Arun Sharma sir, so you can join our Telegram groups. So there are two links that I've posted in the comment sections. So one is for job updates and placement preparations. That's our placement preparation group, and one is for CAT and MBA preparations, right? So in the CAT and MBA preparations, you can even interact with Arun Sharma sir. Okay. So in case you have any queries, you need any guidance, so you can join our Telegram group. 4 more minutes, students. Just 2 more minutes, students. So, students, the time is over. It's 11:16 already, and I don't think if you have attended this session for complete 12 minutes, so you would require any further time, because 12 minutes are more than sufficient for these six questions. These are not very difficult questions, right? 12 minutes are more than sufficient, as I can think. Okay. So, what we can do is we can start with the proceedings, right? So, first of all, let me give you the answers for this. Okay, so question number one, answer would be data inadequate, right? Data inadequate. Question number two, answer should be, how is it? Sun. Question number three, the answer should be D. Question number four, answer should be, as far as I can think, just a second. I think the answer is A. Question number five, I think the answer is B, right? Uh, I may be wrong in one two questions, because I actually tried to remember the answer, but I may have been confused in one or two of these. Okay, question number six, the answer is grandson, right? Okay, so if you analyze your result, so I would say that if you have got at least four questions out of these six correct, so you should be on right track, right? Now let me give you the solutions of all this or these questions, right? So question number one says, pointing to a photograph, Lata says he's the only son of my grandfather. The major mistakes that people do in these type of question is that they generally tend to determine the gender of this person, and they assume that because the name of this person is Lata, so Lata should be a female. No, you should not take the gender, you should not determine the gender according to its name, according to the person's name, right? Lata can be male also, so you have to think both ways. You cannot take Lata as female only. Okay, so pointing to a photograph, Lata says, so central character is Lata. She says or he says that is the son of the only son of my grandfather. So process the last statement first, process the last word first. So my grandfather. So Lata's grandfather I have to represent. So Lata's father, right? and then Lata's grandfather. Something like this I can represent, right? And then the only son of the grandfather would be father again, right? So we have reached till Lata's father. Okay, only son of my grandfather would be Lata's father. I can replace it with father, simple. And he is the son of my father. So, pointing to a photograph, Lata is saying that he is the son of my father. So, uh, if Lata is a female, so he can say the photograph can belong to the brother of Lata, because then Lata can say that he is the son of my father. Correct? Also, if Lata is a male, so still he can say that he is the son of my father about his brother, right? Irrespective of the gender of Lata, if Lata has a brother, so he or she can always say that this person is the father, is the son of my grandfather, sorry, son of my father, right? There is a father which would be above these two. Okay, but there is a possibility, because it is a photograph, so there is also a possibility that Lata is a male. Lata is a male. We generally denote male with a positive sign. So Lata is a male, and and the photograph is of this person only, Lata. So Lata is a male, and he can say, looking at his own photograph, that he is the son of my father. By looking at his own photograph, Lata can say that he is the son of my father. Okay. Now, this also gives us a clue that if you are not able to uh, judge, if you are not able to digest the statement of Lata, so you can replace this Lata by some person like Sonu, right? If you replace this Lata with Sonu, then you would be able to realize that this statement is valid. He is the son of the only son of my grandfather, right? So there is no clarity about the men in the photograph. How is that man in the photograph related to Lata? So Lata can himself be in photograph, right? Or there can be a Lata's brother which can be in the photograph. Correct. So both cases are possible. So therefore the answer is data inadequate. Okay. So I hope this is done. Let's move to the next one. Question number 2 says, pointing to a photograph, X said to his friend Y. Now, one word in this complete question is very important, which is the word his. This is the word. Pointing to a photograph, X said to his friend Y. So, this his is actually determining the gender of this person, X. So, X is a male. Pointing to a photograph, he says to the friend Y that she is the only daughter of the father of my mother. So the mother of X, right? Then the father of the mother, then the daughter of the father. So we come back to the mother, right? So how is X related to that person? So X would be the son of that person, right? Imagine my mother's father's only daughter would be my mother, and I would be the son of my mother, right? So that's the case. So question number second is done. Question number third is of a different type, and in this we have to assume the symbols as relations. For example, in this question, question number third, whenever there is a plus between two letters, it should be treated as A is the brother of B. For example, as you can see a plus here, so it would be treated as C is the brother of F. C is the brother of F, something like this. Okay. So A plus B means A is the brother of B. A minus B means A is the sister of B. A into B means A is the father of B. Which of the following represents or means that C is the son of M? Okay. So A option says that A option is M minus N cross C plus F. This is the A option. Okay. Now, what does minus means? Minus means sister. Okay. So M is the sister of M. What does multiply means? Father. So N is the father of C. And what does plus means? Plus means brother, right? So C is the brother of F, right? So C is the brother of F. C is the brother of F, and N is the father of C, and M is the sister of S. M is the sister of N. So this you have to assume that if you are this person F, if you are this person F, so F's brother and C's father and father's sister would be the would be the aunt of F, correct? So does it means that C is the son of M? Does it means that C is the son of M? No. Okay. So that's why first option is not correct. C is not the son of M because M is the aunt of C. Right. So this is how we tackle. So if you solve it correctly, then you will find that D is the correct answer. D would be M cross N minus C plus F. So cross means father, minus means sister, and plus means brother. Right. So F's brother is C, C's sister is N, and N's father is M. So as you can see, C should be the son of M. So from here, we will find that D option is the correct one. Okay. Similarly, in question number 4, this is the same question as of question number 3. So question number 4 is P cross Q percentile R plus S minus T. Right. So we have to determine whether T is the daughter of P or not. Okay. So minus means brother. Minus means brother. Then plus means sister. Then percentile means father. And cross means wife. Okay. So T's brother is S, S's sister is R, and R's father is Q, and Q's wife is P. So does it signify that T is the daughter of P? No, because T, the gender of T is not clear. So T can also be the son of P. Right. So that's the one mistake that we did. So A is not actually the correct answer in this. Right. My mistake in this. So let's check the next one. So the next one would be P cross Q percentile R minus T plus S. Okay. So plus is sister. Minus is brother, percentile is father, and cross is wife, right? So uh, S is sister is T. So T is a sister, that means T should be a female. T's brother is R. R's father is Q. So R should be the father of T as well. And Q's wife is P. So T should be the daughter of P and Q both. So therefore, it proves that T is the daughter of P. So that's why B is the correct answer. Okay. Sorry for my mistake. If because of me you are able to get a wrong answer, but yeah, fourth is the answer for question number four is B. Let's go to the next one. Question number five says a plus. Acha, this is also the of the same type. Let's start solving from option on option. So m cross n percentile s plus t. Okay. So it means we have to determine m is the maternal grandmother of t. Okay. Let's see. So cross means mother. Percentile means wife. And plus means father, right? So T's father is S, S's wife is N, and N's mother is M. So T, if we skip this father in between, so T's mother would be N, and N's mother would be M, right? So can we prove this as M is the maternal grandmother of T? Yes, obviously. So answer for fifth is A option only, right? So so that means I got confused between the answers of 4 and 5, right? As I gave you the answer for 4 as A and 5 as B, so it should be the answer for 4 should be B and answer for 5 should be A, right? So my mistake. That was something I should have taken care. Okay, right. Last question. So the last question says, let me give you a clarity on this. Okay, so fourth answer is B and fifth answer is A. So question number 6 says Ravi introduces X as, so there's a person Ravi and there's a person X. That X is the grandson of the paternal grandfather of my son's son. So first of all, my son's son. Ravi is saying my son's son. So that person would be the grandson of Ravi, the grandson of Ravi. And if we talk about the paternal grandfather of that person, so it will be Ravi again, right? So this is all of no use, right? This is all of no use because my son's son and then his grandfather would be coming back to me only. Okay. So this statement is simply that X is the grandson of Ravi. Grandson of Ravi. Right. So how is X related to Ravi? How is X related to Ravi? Simply grandson. X is the grandson of Ravi. So you should reduce the sentence. Try to reduce the sentence and then you can easily get the answer. Okay. And try to relate it with your own family relations. It would be better to assume. Okay. So I hope this was an easy test and this has been done very quickly. It has been finished. So if you have got at least 4 out of these 6 correct, then you can yourself assume that you're on a very right track. You can assume that your blood relation is well prepared, pretty well prepared. Okay. So that would be all from my side, students. In case you have any queries after this session as well, so you can join our Telegram group. We have two different Telegram groups. One is for placement preparations, and one is for CAT and MBA preparations, majorly, right? So both the links are given in the chat box. You can join it anytime you want. Okay. All right. Thank you, students. Bye bye. See you in the next session on Tuesday.